harsh tyres. I've got a Renault Scenic here on a 2003 plate. Just going to do the main dip beam on this, the main headlight bulb. As you can see, that one there is working, that one isn't. I'm just going to show you how it's done. Just before I do that, switch the lights off. It's quite a simple procedure on this one. As you can see, it's right on the inside there. So what you got to do is remove the cover first. Twist that to the left, take the cover off, and then on the inside, as you can see, the black plug. If I can zoom in, you see the black plug. All I do is push the, first I remove the plug, once I remove the plug, and then you've got the spring which you push in and then pull it towards the right and then bring it back out. Once I've done that, all you need to worry about is how the plug is situated. There's only one way this bulb would go. So you've got the lug on the top of the bulb, that's how it needs to go. So get it out. I've got a new one right here. It's a H7 bulb. So just careful when you do take the bulb out, don't make sure you don't hold it from the lens itself, just hold it from the back, and then this is how it's going to go through top ways. So we're going to just slot it back through the gap. Once it's in there, I then pull the spring up, push the spring in and more towards the right, so it sort of locates in there, and then plug it back in. Once I've plugged it in, I get the cover, and now put the cover back on. There's only one way the cover would go as well, so that's all in. Could you please just switch the lights on for me, please? Now you'd see both of the lights are working. Here we go, that's it. That's all you got to do on this particular model. It is a Renault Scenic. If there's anything else you need to know about Renault, there is a playlist. Do check it out, and don't forget to subscribe and like our video. Thank you, goodbye.